It's gonna be kind of touchy, man. I'm gonna kick my feet up a little bit. Y'all can't see them. It's wintertime, they yellow as hell anyway. My ducks, my swans, welcome to the pond. My name is Dorian from group82music.com, and today I'm gonna talk to you about why YouTube producers stay broke. The number one reason that YouTube producers stay broke is because you don't develop a community. What do I mean by that? You're making these beats on your computer, you got Fruity Loops, you got all these interfaces, you got these plugins, you got all this stuff. You learn how to mix. You got you a YouTube channel, you uploading them, you start marketing that, you doing all the hashtags on social media, you DMing people, hey bro, check out my beats, all that stuff that doesn't really work. But then people actually go to your website. You getting traffic to your website. People are clicking and buying your stuff. Yet once they buy your beat, you never follow up with them. You don't give a damn because you got your $25 for that lease or 30 bucks or 50 or whatever it is. You don't listen to the song afterwards. You don't see if there's anything you can help them with. You don't give them suggestions on the song, even though you've made 50% of it, and you really don't even help them market the song. You don't give value. You don't give value, and that's why you stay broke. Those $20, $30, $40 leases, you're not gonna get rich off of that. You get rich off of helping people with things they need help with. What do artists need help with? They need help getting their music out there. You got this whole community of artists that email you all the time, DM you all the time, and yet you aren't connecting them. You haven't developed a community. That's the number one thing you need to do as a producer is develop a community. So that way artists can start collabing with each other and you're the liaison. You're the one throwing the party. You're the one that they go through, and therefore you're gonna be the authoritative figure, and therefore you're gonna start making more money whenever you want to. Number two, your paperwork's wrong. I don't know why y'all think that bullshit contract on BeatStars or Airbit or wherever where you can only have this beat for 10,000 streams is gonna work. When's the last time somebody got 10,000 streams on one of your beats and you went and followed up with them and say, hey man, that beat passed 10,000 streams, you need to go ahead and take that down. You think an artist is really gonna take that down? Let's even take it a little bit further. If they made a song from your beat and it got 10,000 streams, would you want them to take it down? Because that's gonna stop the momentum for your record. That's gonna stop the momentum from your money. You want them to get as many streams as they possibly can, right? So why do y'all think that contract means anything? You need to be focused on your royalties. You need to be focused on your publishing. That's what you need to be focused on. You need to be focused on split sheets, which a lot of y'all have no idea what the hell this means. You need to go to Google right now and type in producers split sheets. You need to download one because there's so many templates out there. We might even add it to our website so that way y'all can have it. You need to download it. You need to put your name in there and you need to make every artist that buys a beat sign a split sheet from you. They don't want to sign a split sheet, then don't sell them the beat. That way you start getting the publishing, you start getting your royalties. You have an IPI number. I'm gonna say it again. You have an IPI number. If you don't have an IPI number, go to Google and type in IPI number, how to get one, and get one. So that way you can start getting your publishing. These are things that if you're a producer, you need to know. If you selling beats and you ain't got none of this stuff, you out here playing games. Once you get all this stuff, get your paperwork together so that way you can start eating off beats from 8, 9, 10 years ago. Look at Young Keo, Lil Nas X, Old Town Road. Young Keo said that beat was a throwaway that he almost didn't want to put up. It's damn near the biggest song of all time from a beat he wanted to throw away that he forgot about. Because once Lil Nas X got to a certain level, he had his paperwork right. And now he's gonna eat off that beat for the rest of his life.
The funny thing is, like, it's kind of so over the place that I actually wanted to remove the beat because I didn't like the hi-hats. But I just let it, just let it online. And, good thing I did.
Get your fucking paperwork right. Number three, you don't care about the artists who you sell beats to. You don't give a damn. You could care less about what happens to them. You care less about what happens to their career. You care less about what happens to their brand. You don't really care. You don't care about their sound. You don't want to craft a sound. You know how hip hop used to get busy back in the day? There used to be one producer, there used to be one rapper. And that rapper only worked with that one producer because that producer knew his sound. The first person to really go away from that concept was Nas when he made Illmatic. He was the first person to have a whole bunch of different producers on there. Clark Kent, and Premier, and I think Pete Rock was on there too. Like, he was the first one to do that with Illmatic. And that's why it was such a revolutionary album at that time. But that one producer sound, it still works. Drake, 40. Chief Keef, Young Chop. Young Thug, London on the Track. It still works. So if you have an artist who has bought 2, 3, 4, 5 beats from you, and they've released the songs out, and the songs are getting traction, why in the hell would you not develop a relationship with that artist? Why in the hell would you not say, hey man, let's do a whole album together. I'm gonna send you 10 beats, just go record on them. We'll deal with the publishing on the back end. Why wouldn't you help market that record? Why would you not develop that with that artist? Does Young Chop just work with Chief Keef anymore? He moved past that. Does 40 just work with Drake anymore? He's moved past that. This is the biggest artist in the world. London on the Track has worked with everybody. So why ain't you doing that? Find you an artist who you really like, who is buying beats from you, who is showing you brand loyalty, and invest in their career. Or you can keep watching videos like these and not making no damn money. It's up to you. I know which one I'm doing, and I ain't no beat maker, but I'm making money. If you wanna make money, you wanna get plaques, you want more advice like this, go to group82music.com and buy one of our one-on-one coaching sessions with me right now. That's the lowest the price is ever gonna be, and I'm gonna keep it all the way real with you. I'm tired of making videos like this for people that ain't serious. I'm only gonna be working with serious people from here on out. So if you're serious, go book a one-on-one coaching session with me so you can be a part of my legit pond community. Not the big one, which I don't have a problem with. I love feeding that pond. But the ducks who are really, really in the pond, the ones who are really serious, the ones who are about their money, that's what I'm about to start focusing on. So go to group82music.com and book a one-on-one coaching session with me right now. I'm out the pond. Y'all stay true. Group82music.com.